What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Queezy, man. QueezyCars back again with another exclusive video. Tonight, I decided to give y'all a late night POV drive in the city, man. In my extremely loud Ram 1500. You get what I'm saying? Some say it sound like a cat. Some say it sound like an SRT. I know it ain't no cat. You get what I'm saying? It ain't got no supercharger on it. But hey, man. It big got that Hemi motherfucker in it, man. Them motherfuckers screaming, man. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Just a little, you feel me? Just a little snatch out motherfucker, man. But yeah, man, I decided to give y'all first POV on the channel, man. Drop a comment below if y'all want to see more of these POVs. Headed to my boy Bino spot, man. Tomorrow is the last caffeine and octane of 2023. So you know I gotta go, I gotta be there, man. I gotta get this content for y'all, man, as best as possible. You get what I'm saying? So that's just what we got going on, y'all, man. We just riding through the city right now. We got a little tunnel, y'all. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Little light little pull. Come on, Unc. Yes, sir. Ooh, that motherfucker sound good. Hey, man, that's just with a muffler delete on this 5.7 liter Hemi, man. Y'all let me know. Drop a comment below, man, and let me know if I should go straight pipe. I'm gonna just be honest. My lady don't want me to go straight pipe. She told me it might be too loud for the kids. You get what I'm saying? And I feel like it might be too loud, but I feel like it's gonna sound good. I feel like the muffler delete most definitely woke the truck up. You get what I'm saying? So to me, you feel me, it's somewhat got that cat sound. You get what I'm saying? That cat sound with the muffler delete. You feel me? Not the whine, because like I said, ain't no supercharger on this bit, but hey, you never know, man. One day we might go supercharged. One day we might swap the motor out, put a cat motor in it, motherfucker, man. You get what I'm saying? We just going with the flow right now, man. We just grateful for what God blessed us with, man. And I'm just trying to make the most out of the whole situation, y'all. You get what I'm saying? So, man, yeah, man, that's what we doing, man. First POV, late night drive, y'all, man. Y'all let me know how y'all like this, man. I feel like I like it, though, bro. It's hard for me to see out them motherfucker 5% tint. You dig? Yes, sir. We pulling the hell out them motherfucker, man. We putting that Hemi to work, bro. I just put a little gas in the tank, man, just to get me from point A to point B. Hopefully we ain't gonna have to put no more in the motherfucker, man. That motherfucker drink gas. Y'all know how that V8 life go, man. I'm just grateful, man, to have a truck, bro. It's like, I was just thinking about it recently, man. I was talking about it like, man, I used to want a Lightning, the new Lightning. You get what I'm saying? The electric motherfucker. But I'm grateful to have a V8 Ram 1500 because I actually got that exhaust sound, bro, and I love that exhaust sound. I feel like that exhaust sound crazy, y'all. You get what I'm saying? It sound good. If I would have got the Lightning, you wouldn't have been hearing none. You get what I'm saying? That motherfucker would have been silent, but that motherfucker would have been fast as hell. I ain't even gonna hold you. But hey, man, we gonna hook the Ram up, man, one thing at a time, man. One mod at a time, man. You get what I'm saying? Know that, bro. We ain't playing. Drop a comment below what y'all think I should do next to the Ram, though, man. Should I go straight pipe? You feel me? Nigga still got to do a lot of mods underneath the hood. I feel like right now what I'm working on getting the outside right now. I just feel like the outside to me is really fucking important. Look, they cannot drive. Fuck out my way, goddamn. But yeah, man, I feel like the outside is really one of the most important things you got to get right on your vehicle first, because that's what everybody see first. So I'm trying to work on the outside, man. I'm trying to decide on wheels. I'm trying to goddamn decide on a lot of things, man, because I'm really trying to drop this motherfucker, man. You get what I'm saying? I'm really trying to drop this motherfucker, man. I ain't playing, bro. We gonna drop this motherfucker, believe it. We for sure gonna drop this bit. Y'all know that. We for sure gonna drop it, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big boy V8, man. Stop playing with him, man. I don't know what number V8 this is for me. Y'all know I done had the AMG. I done had a Durango with the Hemi in it before. The older big bubble butt body looking motherfucker. You feel me? I done had a couple V8s, bro. I done had a supercharged Pontiac Grand Prix motherfucker. I done had some shit, bro. But hey, I tell you, ain't nothing more fun than driving a motherfucking Mopar, y'all. Especially in the city of Atlanta, bro. It's hot like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna hold you, but ain't nothing more fun than this shit, man. Excuse me. Had a little burp. But you know, this shit what's going on, y'all. This traffic is a mess right now. It is December. You know, people cannot fucking drive. So this traffic is a fucking mess right now, bro. But we definitely gonna get through it, man. Make sure y'all drop a comment below, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next video, man. Queezy out, man. Yeah.